body is in good condition, but we had probably more than a total of up 18 to 20 codes stored on the engine computer, body control module, suspension computer, and transmission computer. So there's definitely some diagnosing going on. The car did run, does have a check engine light, is driving on its bump stops, and it has a bunch of faults on the dash. Transmission's limited, no low range, no special selections available for your off-road settings. So we had a lot of troubleshooting to do, but we did get a good deal on it. And again, the body is clean, no damages. Some of the plastic is faded, some of the paint is worn down on the top, behind just above the rear hatch. It's kind of weird, but we got plans for that. Again, it is sitting on its bump stops, but it was drivable. Another reason why we got a good deal on it, because the inside is disgusting. You can see in the video, that's kind of our before pictures that we took and short videos, clips, but looks like antifreeze spilled on the back of the second row seat, on the floor, in the carpet, all kinds of debris and garbage in the back area, compartment area, something white spilled in the front passenger area, black, the leather is black. It is disgusting. But we're excited. We're curious to see how good we can make the inside look with just some cleaning supplies and elbow grease. So we're going to keep a tally on that. And then the other thing we did notice when we were looking at it before we purchased it is the sunroof. This was not told to us. This is just our inspection. We were looking at the sunroof, and you could push up on one passenger side of it, look closer, and the track was actually busted. Now, we didn't know if we could get a replacement track or what that entails, but we did use that as leverage to negotiate on the price. Again, the air suspension wouldn't even air up at this point, so we had to drive it on the trailer like that. So all this stuff, the cleanliness, the air codes, they all helped us get a better deal on the car. The seller did tell us that he believes one of the front airbags was leaking just recently, and he believes one of the solenoids in the transmission has failed when you go to shift. It has trouble shifting from third to fourth, somewhere around there. And he said it needed an oxygen sensor and a mass airflow sensor. So we'll keep those in mind. But first we're going to get it cleaned up and go from there. Start troubleshooting and diagnosing it. Should be fun. I want to thank all military members, veterans, and their family members for keeping this great land safe. Also want to thank all our police officers and their families for keeping us safe as well. Thank you, and be safe out there.